Good evening, it's Monday, so you know what that means. It's wash day. It's about 6 o'clock. We just got done washing everything. But stick around, see what's going on. This video is probably going to be a two-parter, one today and one tomorrow. Not going to be much going on now that we've got everything cleaned up. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up. It helps push the video out there further. We get more people viewing it. So if you like what you're seeing, leave us a comment. If you would like to subscribe, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner. Damage report from Saturday. Right rear quarter's all jacked up. Got the breakaway, got the deck again. Fun times. It's wash day. DK's prepping. Done, Ron?
It's getting bolted.
Bolting it together or bolting the side on?
No, bolting the fucking deck panel in because we seem to have to take it out every fucking time we get the racetrack.
No, we're all cleaned up. Daryn's got the deck panel straight and going back in. Thanks, George. Wash day is complete. Daryn's got it going back together pretty quick. Did you see the forecast for Saturday? 40% chance.
Who gives a shit? We'll get it in.
He's ready to have late models there.
What do I gotta do to get some good guys, George? What the fuck? I gotta pay it.
You know, this is much easier to do with the radiator out of the car.
Oh, hell yeah.
Guess I should have left that on there. I took a picture of that.
Yeah.
Got chewed up pretty bad?
Yeah, smashed it.
Bingo.
What?
It's one of those, right? You even got a light, so you see what you're doing. I'll put it over here with the other crap.
So this is the water that come out of the radiator. Not too sure why it's milky. So here's the radiator. It was brand new at the beginning of the season. Last weekend at Peevely was the first night on it. And I can see through it. So we're not really sure what's going on. Besides the motor's getting hot.
And then we need a Gorsuch fan.
Yeah. We got one over there. So this is the fan we've been running for the past couple years. We can take it, make it a 4-blade, or when it's cool, like at the beginning of the year and the end of the year, we go down to 3 blades because we have problems keeping heat in the motor. But this year we can't get it out, so we're gonna go to the 4-blade now. Well, this is the old radiator. I'm gonna try and straighten some of these fins up. Got the fan changed over last night. Nicholas is on tires. Took the radiator to Glenn today. He's gonna, the one that was in the car, he's gonna pressure test it, check it, see if he can find anything, since that's his specialty. So it is Tuesday night. Dave's bolt checked it, put a new brake line on over there, in the process of bleeding the brakes, making progress. The plan right now for this weekend is to run the Brownstown Bull Ring, Brownstown, Illinois on Friday night, and then we'll be at the Highland Speedway in Highland on Saturday. But they are calling for a 50% chance of scattered thunderstorms on Saturday, so we will be playing the rain game once again. Yeah.
That screwed on there?
Yeah.
How'd you get that fucking lucky?
I don't know.
The fan shell got to be in there first?
No.
Do both lines?
I'm doing the second one now. I'm gonna go back to the first one in just a minute.
Now you got some pressure. You turn the water on. Hear me? I said you turn the water on, you get all kinds of pressure now.
It wasn't the water, it was the hose was kinked right where it connects to the reel. That's more like it. lucky are we that that screws right in there.
Yeah. Real lucky. You get it?
Yeah.
I broke down and washed my truck.
Yeah?
Yeah. Had to break down and wash the truck. Couldn't take it anymore.
So our radiator man said make sure we flush the motor. So that's what we're doing.
No.
Where's it at?
It's at Daryn's.
Huh? There's a hauler at Daryn's? Why would our other jack be at Daryn's?
The blue, that blue one over there is what he's talking about.
This ain't gonna work. This won't get big enough. You hear me?
Yeah.
You're wasting your time.
Randy's got the hauler.
What's he got it?
They're going to test tomorrow.
They're going what?
They're going to test tomorrow.
What car?
Dane's car. It's identical to our new one.
Huh?
It's identical to our new one. It's the sister to it, so they're going to test.
Probably gonna need a board or something. Yeah, go grab a couple of boards, Jason.
There's a, grab that 6x6 right there.
That'll work. Go down, Nicholas. That's good. Oh, fuck. Hey,
You got a board.
That's a fucking board.
All right.
You got a board in there, put a board in it. Keep going. Hold on, we come unhooked. I gotta get hooked up here somehow. Try it again. Grab me a ball peen hammer, Jason. Keep going. That's good. That's good.
Here you go. There went the bolt.
There went what?
The bolt.
Why?
The nut, you sheared the bolt off. The nuts.
All right, let it down. Let's go a little bit more. Just get us a new bolt because we ain't moved it. Hold on, Nicholas. Let me get this guy down again. All right, go on ahead. Hold on here. I'll take this down. Take this down. All right.
You good where I'm at?
Whoa, your jack's about to flip out. Easy.